guys! Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to another vlog. So, actually, may work tayo today. Pero nakauwi na ako a couple hours later. So, ngayon, time check, it's ayan. Ayun, medyo malinis na doon na area guys. O kasi nilinis ko po talaga yan. Kasi feeling ko disgusting po talaga siya no. Madumi talaga tingnan. Tingnan nyo naman guys. Anda rin natin yung ano ha. Tada! Look at my masterpiece. Anyway guys, time check. It's 4:46 na po. Lang ako guys kasi nalinis ko siya ng maayos. Medyo nahirapan lang po talaga ako maglinis konti kasi actually, hindi pa nga siya malinis na malinis. But that's okay. Little by little. Kasi nga, parang yuyuko ka pa ng bongga ba? Diba nasa ilalim po siya ng microwave oven namin. But anyway, nag-ready po si Mamshi ngayon mga guys. Dahil, today is back to school night sa school ni Gabriel. Kung saan ang school ni Cassandra at ni Kuya before. So, di sana kami pupunta but nalungkot ang isa dahil gusto niyang pumunta. So, pakita natin sa inyo ang outfit ko. Dumihan agad ang ating charot, guys. Ano lang to? Ito lang. Naka-leggings. Tapos, itong top. Hindi ko alam kung saan ko ito nabili. Siguro sa mall. Maganda ang fit sa akin. Tapos, naka-chinelas lang mamaya, guys.
You're going to the mall?
No, I just told them where I got my top. That's actually a perfect pants for you.
Not really.
But it's going tight. Anyway, so ito lang.
It
Mamaya.
needs to be more loose. I like more baggy thing. If we ever go back to Kohl's, because you know the blue jeans I got, it's cute, but it needs to be bigger.
Which one? Pretty naman yan.
The blue jeans.
What blue jeans? Okay. Look at Cassandra's outfit, guys. Simple. Yan. Kasi wala namang masyadong ganap doon. Tapos, decided na magstay home lang siya dahil pagod daw siya. So, okay lang naman kasi baka isang oras na kami doon. Kasi actually, isang oras lang din talaga yung event doon. Mag-meet and greet sa teachers, magkita-kita yung mga parents, mga students. Tapos mga guys, maraming pagkain doon, papakita ko sa inyo. Hopefully, makapag-vlog tayo pa kasi maraming mga kids doon. Tapos, pupunta kami sa room ni Gabriel. Ito-tour kami doon ng teacher. Guys, dito na kami. Tingnan nyo naman mga sasakyan. Ang dami. May police dyan. Pay attention, Han.
I am.
Ang daming sasakyan, oh.
That thing out of
Yun
here.
yung mga food cart.
It's like distracting.
Ayan. Daming sasakyan. Punong-puno. Paulit-ulit na lang kami.
Where?
You know, when you see the parking.
Way down here?
Yeah.
There's still a lot right here.
Yeah. Right. Dito na lang kami mag-park guys kasi punong-puno na po doon.
All you gotta do is just do like one.
Dito kami magpa-park guys sa dirt. Okay lang kasi malapit naman ang school. Anyway, tara, let's go. Smile! Oh, that's good. Let's go. Guys.
Ano?
You gotta be supportive or else I will not share you with my money. Papunta na kami sa school ni Gabriel. Sa classes ni Gabriel. Woo! Hot.
You do this, I'm gonna stand by the fan.
There you go, Miss Warnock. Let's go, Gabriel. Let's go, go, go.
So this is now second, third.
Oh, his class.
Tara guys, pasok tayo doon sa class ni Gabriel.
How come people
The
get a parking?
supportive parents ever. Han, I think maybe that's the teacher. Where's your thing there? Honey? You sign. Favorite book daw ni Gabriel, guys, oh. Wow.
Again.
Oh, like their close relatives. Do you know what to read? Okay, show us.
Like their close relatives, the seals and sea lions always spend a long time in the ocean.
Slow down.
You passed.
Good job.
You passed it.
Okay.
They, luckily, you don't have to. They belong to a big animal called a walrus.
Look at that guy's teeth, Gabriel.
And the funny
What
part,
is that guy called?
right here, walrus. Walrus.
Okay.
Oh, stay there. Show me more.
A lot of people.
Wow, organized, huh? That's where you guys get all your Sharpies, glue sticks,
Rubber bands.
rubber
You don't need
bands, yes, scissors.
Glue stick.
So tour us
Eraser.
more. What about in there? What's that in there? Oh, look.
Snack.
Let's go faster. Guys, tapos na kami. Ang mahal naman ng kanilang food ang doon.
What? You were barely good for 30 minutes.
I know.
Stop.
Well, I don't know because that just kind of changed the mood. Every time we go somewhere.
Why do you always blame everything on me?
Gabriel, go on
You're
this.
standing in line, everybody's cutting, and then you're like not even sure what you want. Why are you blaming on me?
No, because you suddenly said you don't want. Gabriel! Gabriel!
I don't want to pick.
Gabriel! Don't do that. Okay, let's go to Del Taco. Let's get those. Doon na lang kami bibili ng dinner sa Del Taco, guys. They have pretty good meat and it's a little cheaper, I hope. Tapos bili kami ng fries and drinks. So try. I mean, that's it. That's the back to school. Well, good job, Gabriel. You did show us your work. We just don't get to talk to your teacher because we have a lot of time earlier, but we did not went. Anyway, tara na guys, let's go. Look, they have this. Guys, pasok na lang kami, hindi na kami nag-drive-thru kasi daming sasakyan guys, so crowded. We end up here in Del Taco. Oh, they have orange cream shake. Tara, pasok tayo sa loob guys. Hey, I will.
Just grilled chicken. And nothing. Coffee. And then you want the grilled chicken? Just get for Cassandra. Add two, just two grilled chicken. No fries and soda. You want to do one? Just add more, yeah? Okay, we can have one. Shiitake. When I said shiitake, meal not in. You know, it's $2. Yeah, I'm just gonna do it. You just made it a combo. I want combo for me. I said shiitake. Yeah. Green sauce. Are we good? Just put nothing?
I need a darker shade of a
Okay, Gabriel, hi. Sit down here. What's up? Is it your first time to order inside? Not really. Huh?
Just not.
Ah, okay.
They need like more. They need like more of those.
Guys, wait na lang kami sa order namin, okay? See you guys mamaya sa bahay.
Hello? Hello? Listen to me. Please.
Right there.
Listen to me.
You talk now.
Nothing.
Showed your face. That means you can talk.
Be bored in my room all day, and you would complain about that too. Yeah. We gotta go. Please listen to me.
Guys, kuya nasa bahay.
Yeah. Listen to me. I want avocado. I want avocado. Me want avocado.
Hi guys. Good evening. Bahay na po kami. Kanina pa. Mga 2 oras na po kami dito. Yes. So, right now, so yun na nga mga guys, na-stress ang asawa ko doon sa loob ng Delta ko mga guys. Kasi, hindi namin ma-figure out. Daming chichibureche. Ganyan talaga guys pag mga ignorante ang tao. Gaya namin. Kasi, ang nangyari, first time namin doon sa, meron na kasi sila yung malaking tablet na monitor doon guys kung saan ka mag-order first. Before kasi, tao yung mag-i-entertain. Ngayon, gadget na! Iba na talaga ngayon guys. Puro talaga gadget. Kasi, most of the time talaga, pag bumibili kami doon, drive-thru. But, sucks lang kasi ang daming tao sa drive-thru guys. Ang daming sakyan nakaabang. But anyway, gumagawa ako ngayon ng tea. Ito yung ating tea for tonight. Ayan. Bibili pala ako ng ano. Yun guys, malinis na siya tingnan dyan. Thanks God. Hindi na siya masyadong madumi. Ayan. Ito yung tea natin guys. Kung sana mag-hula hoop, kaya lang bukas na lang. Busy kasi kami kanina. Diba nagpunta kami sa ano. But anyway, look, lapatakat na po kukuan guys. So, I will just end my vlog here, guys. And thank you so much for watching. Kung sino man nanonood sa ating vlog, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.